today you gave a presentation about AI and also about IBM AI solutions. What's your general message to the public, mainly IT resellers, system integrators, and solution providers?
I would say just go for it. There's so much capability out there with AI right now. There's so much excitement. There's so much that we can do. Get started, get running, use all of the tooling and the capabilities that are around you to build these amazing solutions that we're seeing coming through. So, I talked about in the HR space, I talked about in customer success space, but there's so much that we can do with all of these systems, managing IT or whatever it is. It's so exciting. Go, start, I think is the main message.
Okay. And what's the impact for customers of those IT resellers if they use AI solutions specifically from IBM?
I think there's a lot that we can do around, and the promise of technology has always been about improving efficiency. And so just improvements in efficiency can be huge, but the meat in the back of that is we are struggling, the whole of industry, and not just the IT industry, but every industry is struggling to get good, skilled technical resource. And if I can automate a lot of that activity and build on those efficiencies, I can then do more with that more scarce resource and also free up time from that scarce resource to focus on the high impact activity.
And what's so interesting about your Watsonx portfolio? Why is it so interesting to have a glance on that or maybe use it?
Well, I think the key there, and this is something we've seen for years, so organizations for a long, long time have been trying to ramp up AI projects, and you see that they've got into building MVPs and building all of these experiments and hiring all of these data scientists. And the number of projects that actually go from experimentation into production and into the enterprise is relatively low. And that's because it's hard. It's, DevOps and DevSecOps we had to learn, and we had to build out the right approach to that. But, machine learning ops, that's a whole other level of complexity. And so Watsonx is designed to handle that. It's designed to say, right, we'll give you the governance, we'll give you the control, we'll give you the security, we'll give you the ability to do the data governance and then the, build and deploy, build and deploy, build and deploy. So Watsonx is that thing that's designed to help you go from, okay, I've got a nice little experiment, how do I put that into production for the enterprise, and how do I make sure that it's continually updated and continually monitored and is running effectively?